The apparent depth for point object x in all three cases h1, h2, h3 respectively when seen from below, given h is equals to 30 centimeters, n is equals to 1.5 and r is equals to 3m, then what are they? Case 1, you can see that n by 2, n2 by n1 is equals to d to the power 1 upon d is equals to d1 upon 3 cube. d1 comes out to be 20 centimeters. For case 2, n2 by v is equals to n2 minus n1 by l square, from where if we get h2 it comes out to be 20.684. And case 2, on by seeing the figure we can find out that v3 is equals to 19.354.